What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing, man. I don't know it's a NEWLINK there from NEWLINK production, and we say attack. People, more often know what really wrong with them gun boy or them gunman at Jamaica, because this is not the first time NEWLINK I got hear something like this, and in the end, people, me I go hear some of them gunman I get slapped with. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Now me have this article right in front of me, people. Let me just read it so we can get a brief understanding of what them say I go on. Listen now. A dramatic police chase ended the fatal shooting of an unidentified man in St. Andrew on Tuesday. Reports are that a police team from the Specialized Operations Branch was conducting an operation in violence-plagued Painland on Tuesday morning, when the cops were fired upon by occupants of a silver Nissan AD wagon speeding through the area. The police reportedly pursued the vehicle through the community and onto Waltham Park Road, where it collided with two other vehicles in the vicinity of the intersection with Gretna Green Avenue. The men reportedly alighted from the vehicle and once again shot at the police, who returned fire. It was later discovered that one man was shot. However, the other men escaped according to the police. A Taurus pistol with 6 rounds of ammunition was seized at the scene, and the injured man taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead, said the police, which noted that none of its members was injured. The JCF Scenes of Crime Unit attended the scene, as well as members from the Hunts Bay Criminal Investigations Branch and the Independent Commission of Investigations in the COM. So, viewers and subscribers, as I may say, I don't know what wrong with these gunmen, because in the end, there's no way you can say police come and do them operations and you come say boom now, you make your speed now, police chase them and you are go fire shot, police are going to return fire. You understand? Boy, I'm telling you about the greatest thing about it, people. One less gunman gone. So, you know what I mean? One escape, but the police them know them are going to do them investigations, people, and try to find this one escape. And maybe you say, you know, same turn up hospital, him get shot and him injured also, because I have seen where it happened before. But all I can say, people, boy, them gun boy a gunman and them not learn. You know nobody on the police, you know. You know we shot, you know we fire, you know we hit 2, you know we kill 2. But in the end of the day, you know nobody than them. So if you're not ready for give a one life, dash a one life, you know see the police them and start it. That's all I can say. See, I don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. This is NEWLINK, you know, from NEWLINK production, people. And now we say attack. I just love you, viewers, and respect, and peace, and be good, and be great, and be safe. Attack them, NEWLINK. Peace out.
NEWLINK, where them a think? You have the city lock, some black as them a chink. Local, international, you have every link. Straight like a arrow. You know we are pink. Some black as them a drown. Them a sink. Uneducated, not a clue, not a hint. Illiterate and don't span them face it print. Before them chat, give them a mint. NEWLINK.